Today we are talking to Mr. Anil Agarwal, who's the chairman of Vedanta Resources. He needs little introduction and he's been in the news from time to time for news from one subsidiary or the other. So without further ado, let's get to the man himself. Thank you for joining us, sir.
Thank you.
Let's start with what you've been in the news recently for the most, the Asarco acquisition. Would you say that this is the best time to still be pursuing that deal? Because given what's happened in the recent past, would it not be more prudent to sit on cash? Because that's probably the most valuable commodity right now.
See, we are in the metal business, and we bought this company at $2.6 billion, and then market has collapsed. When we bought this company, copper price was $8,800. Copper price is now $3,500. So we are renegotiating, and I believe whatever will happen for good. If we get it, great, at our price. If we don't get it, that's fine too.
So the price is crucial. Can we say safely that it'll be about $1 billion less than the original price?
Probably you are right.
And when do we expect this? 2 weeks or sooner?
Time is, I think we are negotiating, and I really don't know what would be the timing.
But 2 weeks would be too long? No, too short.
Maybe too short.
Too short. In terms of the funding, give us some details about how you're tying that up. Is it going to be all debt, or how is the acquisition going to be funded?
See, we are by and large cash-rich company. If you look at our balance sheet, we are sitting on almost $6 billion, and funding will not be a problem to fund this company.
How much of it can we say will come from debt and from...
We haven't figured out, as I said, that we are sitting with a $6 billion, so we can always work out.
Let's move to the macro picture now. You know, peak prices of non-ferrous metals have almost halved. What is your outlook for the coming year, given the demand situation as well?
See, this is a cycle, but the price today does not even the cost of production. So I don't see that is going to last for long run. It has to have a correction, and it will take a correction. But as far as we are concerned, whatever business we are the lowest cost of producer. So we believe that first 20% of production, or the metal what we produce, is the first 20% and cost to us. So we'll be there.
But that having been said, demand would be somewhat of a concern, or probably the main concern. And if you were to put a timeline to when you expect, as a major player, to see a revival, would it be fair to say terrible 2009, bad 2010, and then finally a revival in 2011?
Maybe you're right. It will take that much of time.
Let's talk specifically about aluminium. The prices must be a real concern again because they've come down, but you seem to be still on track with the expansion plans. How does that add up?
India is a natural place for producing aluminum, because that's what we are doing. We are going to create tremendous capacity, almost close to 3 million ton, 30 lakh ton of capacity, fully integrated mines, alumina to the smelter.